My name is Eric Mooney with SkipperBud's in Marina Del Isle in Marblehead, Ohio, and today we're going to walk through a 2023 Cruisers 46 Cantius. Walking to the back, you can see a nice extended swim platform. There's a boarding ladder on the port side, place for chocks to go in for your tender, dinghy, and then on the starboard side there's steps that, as the platform lowers, those turn into steps. That way it makes it for easy access getting on and off the boat with the platform down. Also back here we have a Kenyan grill, and then a really good sized storage locker. You have nice large access to that locker. And underneath the grill drawer refrigerator, which is nice for if you're grilling or if you're out here anchored out swimming. Easy access to drinks. Stepping up, nice L-shaped seating in the cockpit, refrigerator and ice maker, and then access to the engine room. And this boat's equipped with twin Volvo D6 IPS 600 engines. Before we go inside, we'll take a walk up to the bow. Nice easy access on both sides. U-shaped seating area, lounge area. It's your hardtop. There's Garmin electronics, there's Garmin radar on the boat, and then various antennas, horn up there as well. And then hard to tell here, but this white piece actually retracts open as a sunroof. Walking into the salon, we're actually met with the Galley, and there's good counter space, 2-burner cooktop, nice sink, microwave, and then refrigerator, freezer on the starboard side, and your TV's over there too. Up forward, there's a nice dinette area that's lounge seating, comfortable because you're right up by the helm too. Double wide helm seat, twin Garmin displays. Here you can see the engine controls, joystick docking controls. So there's that sunroof again. Walking down to the starboard, there's the day head, which also doubles as the head for the VIP stateroom. Real good space with a separate shower. Walking into the VIP, entry up to the bed on both sides, and good storage lockers on both sides too. Ahead you see the TV, climate controls, radio controls. Walking down to the master cabin. Nice lounge on the port side. Queen size bed with entryway on both sides to the bed, which makes for easy access, and then plenty of storage on the starboard side. Nice large windows on each side as well, and then your TV's on the port side. Coming back out, your your second head. Again, very spacious with a separate shower. Again, my name is Eric Mooney. If you would like more information on this 46 Cantius, feel free to reach out to me or any of your local SkipperBud's representatives.